So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create reel on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Next, in the home screen you can see the tab icon in the right side, and you can choose reel option, and you can also choose camera, or you can select from videos or photos. And here you can add various kinds of effects, music, and you can press on start button like this. When your video is over, you can edit your video and press on next. After that, write a suitable caption for your video and hashtag as well. And you can select the option who can see your reel, either public, friends or special friends, and you can also add people or tag people, and you can also share same video on Instagram at the same time. And after completing everything, you can click on share now button and your video will be live on Facebook. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.